Here is my current ghost. This is my new ghost. I feel like they're gonna be good friends. Hey guys, it's Jess. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day so far. For today's video, we're doing a huge fall home decor haul. Now, I am so excited about this because this video is a culmination of my two favorite things coming together: home decor and fall. We have throw pillows, we have garlands, we have random wall art and decor, we have some pumpkin, we have many pumpkin things, we have some mugs, we have kitchen stuff, we have candles and a wreath and lots of goodies, and I'm just so excited to share it with you guys. If you guys enjoy it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, get excited, and let's hop on in. First up, we're gonna start with kitchen decor, which is one of my favorite types of home decor, especially mugs. I love mugs. First mug is this black cat mug. I saw this at this store called At Home, which I would say about half of the items in this video are from, maybe a third. And At Home is like this Texas Costco home goods. Adopt black cats because not enough people do. There's always a lot at shelters, so adopt a black cat because they're so sweet. Our next mug is this very cute skull mug. This guy is just the cutest. Look at his little bow tie. His name is like, we'll call him Bone Daddy because there is this place in Austin off one of the highways that we always pass. It's a steakhouse and it's called Bone Daddy's. The name is just, it's so intriguing. And the last mug that I got is probably my favorite because it's so cutie pie. I just love the design of these mugs. I think the art style of this is just so fun and cute. And it's almost got a bit of a retro touch to this. And also, this looks like my head. I am Jackie O'Lantern. Moving on, we have some things for baking. You guys might know I love baking. If you don't, you should follow me on Instagram because I'm always sharing baking things over there. So I got 2 rubber spatulas. Now I found these guys at Michael's. There's this one. It's got a little ghost. It says Happy Halloween. It's just a nice orange rubber spatula. I have been needing more rubber spatulas. I only somehow have one now, except for Christmas ones. I don't know what happened. I know what happened to the other one. We had one other regular one, and then we had a couple of the Christmas ones just in rotation, but then when we moved, I put the Christmas ones into the Christmas box because they had ended up in our regular rotation of like spatulas and stuff. And the other one, I ended up throwing out because a couple months ago, I accidentally lit it on fire. I was making turkey chili. We had some guests over, and I don't know what happened, but somehow when I set down the spatula, the wooden handle kind of just spun on the counter, or maybe I bumped it. Anyways, the thing ended up going into the flame and somehow nobody noticed but me. Must have been really, really good wood because it had been there for a minute. I mean, there was a pretty mighty flame and the whole handle was like half blackened, but you still could use it. But I decided to throw it away because it was kind of brittle, and when you had it in your hand, it kind of was just scratchy and not a great time. So that's what happened to our other rubber spatula. This is the other rubber spatula. It says trick or treat. It's got some cobwebs and a little spider, and I plan on putting these in a little jar or a mason jar on the counter. I love baking cookies, not just during the fall or the winter, but all year round. Cookies are just so fun to make, and they're such, I mean, they're a great treat. I don't need to justify cookies. So I saw these at Michael's and I was extremely jazzed. They had cookie cutters and cookie stamps. So there were these ones that I found. This one has a little cat, a bat, and a moon. I would love to make bat cookies. I also picked up these different sized pumpkin cookie cutters. Thought these were a great staple. And something with cookie cutters is that these are things that you can just keep in your collection for years and years to come. And then when you have kids, you can make cookies together and cut out fun shapes and decorate them. And I think it's just a fun tradition that we're gonna have in our family. I think baking together is just such a fun, special thing. Now, the next thing that I picked up, I did not really realize these were things, but it completely makes sense that they are. So these are cookie stampers. There's a little push stamp and it imprints this little stamp onto your cookie. So here we have a ghost, we have this pumpkin, and another little cat. I also found this set of cookie stamps. There's a bat, a witch's hat, and an eyeball, which I thought was just so fun. The other day we went to IKEA to pick up a dresser for our bedroom. While we were at IKEA, I saw these little kitchen towels. They're just these little kitchen towels. This one has leaves, and this one is an orange grid pattern. Next at bat, we have this pumpkin jar. It's got a removable lid top. And honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Maybe I'll put some candy in it and put it on our coffee table, though nobody is coming over to eat our candy, but it can be for me during movie nights. The last kitchen home decor before we hop into garlands and lights is actually a gift from Allegria, who is my assistant. If you guys don't know, I miss Allegria so much. If you're watching this, Allegria, hey girl. She actually sent me a gift for hitting 500,000 subscribers, which I don't think I have said anything about yet. Thank you guys so much for 500,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've said anything. Let's celebrate together. This is a moment of celebration. Let's put on some fun music. Anyways, the other day, Allegria sent me a surprise little package to congratulate me for 500,000 subscribers, and it was just so nice and so special. And one of the gifts she included inside are these absolutely gorgeous coasters. They're a set of 4. They have a gold lining to them, and they're just so beautiful. These are so pretty, and I think they're gonna look so beautiful around the house. I really love these. Again, thank you, Allegria. They are so, so cute. Next up, we have garlands. So I picked up quite a few very cute garlands. The first one is just a very simple leaf chain. This one is in a very warm orangey red, and I actually picked up the same one in more of an orangey yellow. One of these will go in the kitchen, one will go on my stair rail. Who knows what? We'll see. Possibilities are endless. I also picked up some very fun garlands, the first of which actually matches me right now. It is this pom-pom garland, and it features these orange, black, and white pom-poms. This one I'm planning to put atop my headboard, just kind of wavily draped. I think that would look adorable. You guys, this next garland is so cute, and it's just, again, another very fun one. This one features these little ghosts. Oh my goodness, aren't they adorable? Look at... They kind of look like when you go to a restaurant. I don't know if you ever did this, but my great Uncle Bob, which sounds like a made-up person, but my great Uncle Bob showed me how to do this. You take a napkin and then you ball up another napkin and you put it inside in the middle, and then you twist the top, and then you draw a little ghost face, and it looks like a ghost. We would always do that when he would come into town. I think this might go on my fireplace in my office. I also picked up this seasonal leaf garland. Everything is in varying shades of red, orange, and green. The felt fabric gives it a very simple and sweet kind of feel. I also picked up a couple string lights. The first set are of these little jack-o'-lanterns. They have a battery pack, so they're battery powered. And I picked up 2 of these, and the other string light I picked up are just the classic string lights. They have the copper wire, but the thing about these is that they are in an orange light. Moving into random fall decor, these are just random bits and bobs that you would put on a fireplace mantle or a desk or a table. I love stuff like this, and this one says, "Hocus Pocus, I need coffee to focus." I know it's basic, guys. I know it's basic, but I love it still, and I thought this would look really cute on my counter downstairs where I make my coffee, and even though it's basic, I love it. Next up at home, I found this mustard geometric vase, and I feel like this is just a very simple kind of fall vase. I love the modern style to it. Next up, I found this little ghost at Michael's. He's holding a pumpkin. It says trick or treat, and I just thought this was adorable. I thought he would go very nicely with my other ghost that is currently on my fireplace mantle. Here is my current ghost. This is my new ghost. I feel like they're gonna be good friends. I also found this ceramic, feels kind of ceramic feeling pumpkin that says it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus, which I thought was very fun, and it kind of gives a nod to Hocus Pocus, which is one of my favorite Halloween movies. Hocus Pocus is just so fun, and I love Hocus Pocus. When I play that movie, it signals that Halloween and like the crisp October days and nights are on the horizon. At Target, I found these actual ceramic pumpkins, and these came in a variety of colors and shapes. So I got this little orange one. This one is probably about 4 or 5 inches tall, and maybe 3.5 inches wide. There's also this bigger white pumpkin. This one is maybe 6 inches wide and 4 or 5 inches tall. And then there's this skinnier white pumpkin. And these ranged from $5 to $10. This bigger one was 10 and this smaller one was 5. During the fall time, something I think you just can never ever go wrong with is a bowl of potpourri. And I found this bag of potpourri at home, and it's in the scent pumpkin spice. And for our last piece of miscellaneous decor, we have this plug-in and light up jack-o'-lantern. So this is just a little jack-o'-lantern. It plugs in, it's got a lighted side. I thought this would be cute anywhere because it's cute. The end. Moving on to an unnamed category because I don't know what category these would all go under. I found this giant pumpkin at Whole Foods. It is a big pumpkin, and this is not even the biggest pumpkin I got. And something so crazy is the pumpkins at Whole Foods here in Texas were $5.99. Now, the reason that this is crazy to me is because in LA, it would be like $5.99 per pound. And we all know that pumpkins are pretty hefty. This pumpkin is gonna go here in my office, probably also by the fireplace, maybe next to the white chair that's in the corner. If you guys watched my office makeover, if you haven't, go check it out. Linking it below because it is one of the coolest things I have ever done in my whole life. I also got this gorgeous wreath. This one I love so much. You know how sometimes you see a wreath at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or Joann's and the leaves just look so ultra synthetic? These at least look like a good fake. They don't look super synthetic-y. I love the fact that this wreath isn't just leaves, it also has pumpkins, it has straw, it has these little corns that they have in the cornucopias. I found at Target in the dollar section, it was $5. This one hangs, and I actually have this on my staircase. This welcome sign, it's 3 pumpkins in a small, a medium, and a large. And this is probably going to go somewhere right by my front door. Also at Michael's, I found this scarecrow, this pumpkin scarecrow. He doesn't have a name yet. I thought it would be fun if we all named him together. So if you have a name suggestion for my pumpkin scarecrow, share it down below in the comment section because this is going to be a community-driven name pick for him. Though there are no crows here to be scared, it can scare away the dirt daubers. That's the plan. You guys, we're actually starting to wind down. I think we might have 10 items or less. We could go into the 10 items or less checkout lane right now with these items because we're truly winding down. Next up, we have one of my favorite buys because I think it is just such a great deal. We have this little accent rug slash mat. This was only $5 and I think it is just such an amazing buy for just $5. So this I'm planning on putting at my kitchen sink. I kind of wish I had bought 2 more for our master bathroom to go in front of our sinks because I think that would have looked really cute. But regardless, I'm super happy I picked this up because for $5, this is a great little piece of decor. At Target, I picked up a couple fall candles. The first one I picked up is from Opal House and it's in the scent Fall Day. And this is my favorite scent of the 3. This one, it smells like apples, cinnamon, and pine cones. The next candle scent I picked up from Opal House was Harvest Apple. This one, it smells like just straight up delicious cinnamon apples. And the last scent that I got is Orchard Cider, and this one also just kind of smells like apple cider. And now we are moving into our final and probably one of my favorite sections in a home decor haul, the cozy things. I've only bought 1 throw blanket so far, and this one lives in my office. You guys may have seen it in my Friday favorites on my IGTV, which is a weekly series I do every single Friday, where every week I share my favorite things of the month. This throw blanket is this reversible one from Target. I think it's from the Threshold brand. And on one side, it's this orange and white woven knit pattern. And on the other side, it's a solid orange. I love the versatility in this. I think it's so beautiful. It's a really great blanket too. It's not just one of those like, throw blankets where kind of doesn't do much for you. It just looks cute. This one provides so much warmth. And to close out this video, we're gonna end on throw pillows, which is one of my favorite things in the entire world because throw pillows are just one of those little things that makes a house a home. It makes a home seem so warm and cozy and inviting. The first one I picked up is this simple mustard one. This I thought would be a great staple to have. At Michael's, I found this yoga skeleton one that I love. They actually had an entire skeleton yoga line at Michael's, which I thought was very interesting and unique, and I kind of wanted to buy them, but also I don't do yoga. It's enough for a throw pillow, but not enough to get like figurines of them. So if you are into yoga and you also like Halloween or fall, you can swoop them up at Michael's. Our penultimate pillow is this jack-o'-lantern pillow right here. This one, it's so cute. It's got a little stem. I love his face. I love the art style of this. It's very classic jack-o'-lantern. And what I extra love about this throw pillow is it's reversible with a completely different side. And to close out this video, we have one of my favorite things from this entire haul. We're gonna end on a truly banger. Is it a banger? Do people say banger anymore? We're gonna end on an amazing item that I love, and it is this black velvety throw pillow. It says spooky, and the O's are little ghosts. They look so cute, so sweet. Look at this. This is the cutest thing I have ever seen, besides all of the other cute things that I have also ever seen. This is right at the top though. This is top ranking. I think this is for sure gonna go on my bed. And that's a wrap on today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of the many things I picked up to decorate my home for fall. So many of you guys over on Instagram have been asking for a decorate with me for fall video, and I don't know, would you guys want to see that? I know people on Instagram said that, so let me know, because I think it could be really fun. Now for today's quote of the day, I really wanted to do something fall autumn themed. So this quote, I think it's the perfect representation of a good quote of the day and a beautiful autumn quote. Today's quote says, "Autumn shows us how beautiful it is to let things go." I really like that because I think it's so true. Change opens the door to so many new possibilities, so many more opportunities, and ultimately something new, something beautiful and new and different. Think on that quote as we go into the week. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Did I say love you guys lots? If not, love you guys lots. And that's all. Okay, bye.